The company got started from a German immigrant named Fred Boetje. He landed here in Rock Island because of the large German population that was here in the Quad Cities. And when he got here, he tried the Midwestern food and he didn't like it. So what he did in his garage about 10 blocks from our current location, he developed the recipe that we currently use today. There's nothing else like it out there in the world right now, and people recognize that. They recognize the distinction between our flavor and other flavors, and this is what they want. It's a hotter, spicier mustard that contains the hull of the seed, and it's a little thicker than the American mustards, and people around here just love it. Early on, I was thinking of ways to try to expand the business, so we entered the worldwide mustard competition. In our first try, we won. We were world number 1 in 2016. We have a lot of loyal customers that used to live here in the Quad Cities, now have moved all over the place. The one thing that they miss more than anything else is their Boetje mustard from Rock Island. So we're happy to provide that for them. Also, being in Illinois, everybody supports Quad City companies, and we love that. We've been around for 135 years now, and hopefully another 135.